So check it out. Most people think the stock market is just one big thing, but it's really made up of a bunch of different pieces, each with their own risk and reward. Most people have heard of the S&P 500, which very simply is just 500 of the biggest US companies. We've also got the NASDAQ 100, which is also pretty popular. This is going to be the largest 100 companies listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange. It's very tech heavy. Then we've got the old school Dow Jones. This is going to be 30 established companies. You can think companies like Coca-Cola, Boeing, or Goldman Sachs. And of course, the US, although a great place to invest, is not the only place to invest. There are also international stock markets. VXUS is a popular fund to get exposure outside the US to companies in Europe, Japan, or even Australia. If you're somebody who just wants to globally invest in a little bit of everything, there's funds for that. The Total World Market, VT, is a common fund. You can also invest in companies that are in economies that are rapidly growing or have a high growth potential over the next 10 to 20 years. You can think of countries like India, Brazil, or even China. That's going to be your emerging market exposure. Although you technically can just pick one of these and call it a day, many investors might kind of have a hybrid approach where they'll select a couple of these based on their risk tolerance and investing goals and set up their portfolio that gives them exposure to different areas of the stock market. At the end of the day, knowing what you own and why you own it is how you stop second guessing and invest with confidence. If you comment hustle below, I'll send you my free 14-page compound interest ebook that will explain how ETFs like these over here can build massive amounts of wealth over time.